How to play the iMessage games on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will see how can we play the iMessage games on Android. To get started, you have to first launch your Google Play Store and from there you have to download the application called as Play-Doh. It is a multiplayer games application that needs to be downloaded. Once it's installed, launch it by tapping on the icon from your home screen and there you will need to add your iMessage friends. To do this, tap on the friends icon on the bottom of the screen. This should take you to the friend list. To add the friend, you just have to tap on the plus icon given and you can invite friends by entering the Play-Doh ID or by sharing a friend link. Make sure your iMessage friends also have the Play-Doh app installed on the devices so you can connect with them. Once you have joined, along with your friends, you can start playing all kinds of games. Play-Doh offers a variety of games like 8 Ball, Uno, Crazy 8, and much more. Browse through the options and select the game that you want to play. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.